Yebo.
Ngibani omkhumbulayo apha ekukhuleni kwakho noba kusekuhlaleni noba kulapha elower primary high primary owayeluncedo kuwe owayenegalelo uba mawube ngulo mntu unguye ofuna ukumbulela namhlanje?
You know, as soon as usitsho ukuthi qatha uprincipal wase-RH Gondo, who noticed that ndiyabethakala kwesi sikhozi, she took me in wathi no nge-lunch xa kutyiwa ngabantwana bandiye ofisini yakhe, and she started to talk to me and teach me esiXhosa, and it was all isiXhosa sasibetha ngamandla. So she started to teach me esiXhosa. She started uba andikwazise la magama, andibizise la magama, and I would talk la magama and ndiwabize kakuhle la magama, and that umama uMkhohliswa I will not forget as long as I shall live, for what the impact and the care that she gave me at that age, at that time. Then when I went to Dalhukana, umama umiswa nguMiss Mlamba, owayehlala kwa-7 who spoke to me, in fact to my mother, ethi hey, there's going to be something of God as I was on to umjonge ngoba ndiye ndahlabelele konje xa eklasini xa ndicela standards. And then she went and never told me. She went to my mom and took me, hey, there's going to be something, and that was planted to me, and I will never forget that. That was planted to me from a very young age, but there's going to be something that God is going to do. Ending I as you get only beyond just me singing, but why ends I don't ever ndimbona uba uThixo ukhona nyani into azayenza ngami. And obviously my mother, my brother, my mother was the only person that carried us through with my young brother. She carried us through while I was putting the she did that. She did that very well. Straight, for my mother, why your option who sings essence of God, no mama essence of being, but essence of being quite the essence of God. So for Ubegetawen home was not something that you can choose and not choose. It was a matter of every Friday, Saturday, Banafuneka, Uvase, Utrebe, Uleka, Sunday, you're going to church. As a result, I was a very good boxer. Obviously, same time, I was a very good boxer. And I eat bills every Fridays and some Saturdays. For instance, Saturday, Tibana is tables that the gym, the boxing, it's your boxer, it's arrange or see box the whole night from 6 till 6 the following day. Yeah, box one. That boxing a classroom. And my mother said to one day to me, no, you're not going to continue that. Because I was very gifted, I was very good with that. And the boxing, the clearly, the quasi-answer. What mama, I also created a life. I think I was starting, I was 13 years. That law also created a life. I asked her why, what law also created a life? Because the fruit gets out in the following day. I also was a town who have played boxing, I was a lala, our lalipa, who's a veteran of what Tramina. Hey, oh, Tato, people in Kachi, all of your Kakaza, and many other guys, as the boxes as I who is saying what I believe they maybe 18, and they in daughter has decided in a few years ago, and only then I understood my mama was protecting a company party I'm getting feeling the yoga from this, and having seen also Nabanda boxer how they turned out after so in fact when I stopped I had few challenges and talk, but it lasted about a few months, then I was okay. So I'm grateful to my mom. I'm grateful to our Balundet and who have made me to be the man that I am in France.